Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing very well. Children, today we are going to study about something through a chapter which is very essential for any living creature to live. Yes, we are going to study about food. Children, we all know food is very important for our growth. It gives us energy to study, play, and work throughout the day. Children, but you know what? Only consuming food is not sufficient, but consuming good food is very important so that we could have a healthy body. So, children, let's begin with the first topic, different kinds of foods. Children, we all know there are different kinds of food like vegetables, fruits, nuts, oil, milk, meat, chicken. There are many kind of food. We like having different kind of food day to day. So children, अगर हम बात करें milk की, our mothers always tell us कि इससे आपके bones, muscles strong होंगे. But we always ignore them. But children, having dairy products like cheese, butter, milk helps us to grow. So we should always include all this diet in our day-to-day life. Children, our mothers always scold us of not having rice, chapati, wheat and everything. But children, having all these things in our diet is very important. These all things gives us energy to play, to study and to work throughout our day. Children, वीट राइस ये सब हमने इंक्लूड कर लिया अपनी डाइट में, मिल्क इंक्लूड कर लिया, बट व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? Yes, very important, fruits and vegetables because they protect our body from diseases. Fruits, vegetables is very important so that we could have a healthy body. So children, including all the things in your diet is very important for all of us to grow and to have a healthy body. Moving ahead to the next topic, children, there could be a raw food and cooked food. Raw food कौन से होते हैं? Raw food वो होते हैं जिनको हम ऐसे ही खा सकते हैं. They need not to be cooked. Like कैरेट्स हो गए, कुकुम्बर्स हो गए, फ्रूट्स हो गए, उनको हमें कुक करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. सो दे आर द रॉ फूड्स. एंड कुक्ड फूड कौन से होते हैं? जैसे पोटैटोज हो गए, राइस हो गया हमारा. दे नीड टू बी कुक्ड बिफोर ईटिंग. दे कैन नॉट बी कंज्यूम्ड एज रॉ फूड्स. Children, now begin with the next topic, sources of food. So children, there are many sources of food. Broadly, we can say that we can have food from plants as well as from animals. तो जो food हमें animal से मिलते हैं वो कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं? There is milk, there is cheese, there is butter. So ये all किससे मिलते हैं हमें? Through animals only that we consume. That gives us energy, makes our bones and muscles strong. So हमें किससे मिलते हैं? Through animals. अब animals ने ये हमें मिल गया animals से, but ये हम तक पहुंचते कैसे हैं? Children, all these butters, milk, cheese, they are all processed in a special farm. जिनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? जहां से हम milk मंगवाते हैं? Dairies. So before coming to us, they are processed in these special farms. So children, now हमें fruits हो गए, vegetables हो गए, nuts हो गए, oils हो गए, ये कहाँ से मिलते हैं? We get them from plants. There are different plants. हम देखते हैं कि crops grown होती हैं, हमें wheat की crop होती है, plants होते हैं जिससे हमें fruits मिलते हैं, apple के plants होते हैं, हमारे पास trees होते हैं जिसमें fruits आते हैं. So we get all these fruits, vegetables from plants. So children, ब्रॉडली हमारे पास हमने देखा कि हम जितना भी खाना खाते हैं वो हमें या तो एनिमल्स से मिलता है या फिर प्लांट्स से मिलता है. ऑल्सो चिल्ड्रन, जो फिशेज एंड जो पीपल प्रेफर करते हैं फिश खाना, वो हमें कहाँ से मिलती हैं? दे लिव इन पॉन्ड्स एंड ओशन. द फिशरमैन कैचेज इट. सो दीज आर द ऑल सोर्सेज ऑफ फूड. Now children, let's begin and study together the next topic, different people like different foods. So children, we all know, we all have different preferences. Some like to have vegetable, fruits, some like to have chicken, meat. So we all have different preferences. Different people like different foods. So broadly अगर हम उनको देखें तो हम कह सकते हैं कि there are vegetarian people, there are non-vegetarian people and there are one new term introduced, vegan people. So children, if I talk about vegetarian people, who eats only vegetarian? So children, some people like to eat only fruits, vegetables and dairy products. We broadly categorize such people in vegetarian category. Such people do not like or prefer having non-veg food like meat, chicken, fishes, etc. So children, some people like to eat meat, chicken, eggs, fishes. They also eat fruits and vegetable. ऐसा नहीं है कि they only like to or eat only non-veg food. They can have fruits and vegetables, but as well as the non-vegetarian products like meat, chicken. So these are known as the non-vegetarian people. So children, there are other people also who like to or prefer having food only from the plants. So such people, उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? They are the vegan people. So children, these vegan people only likes to eat food that comes from plants. So children, हमने देखा कि कैसे different लोगों की different पसंद हो सकती है. Children, हमें हमेशा fresh और clean खाना खाना चाहिए so that we have healthy body and mind. So children, now moving ahead and study together a new topic, healthy diet. Children, हमें food essential होता है to grow and to have energy throughout. But आपने देखा होगा कि कई बच्चों को बिल्कुल भी डिजीजेस नहीं होती, दे हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग इम्यूनिटी. उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? उसके लिए हमें एक हेल्दी डाइट फॉलो करनी पड़ेगी. और हेल्दी डाइट कैसे होगी? फर्स्ट, अगर आप हमेशा क्लीन खाना खाओगे सो दैट नो जर्म्स एंटर योर बॉडी. Also include lot of vegetables and fruits in your diet. It is very very important. Also children, हमारी मम्मा हमें हमेशा क्या बोलती हैं? To have lots of green vegetables because they are very very important. It protects us from the diseases. Also children, to in a healthy diet, consuming too much of junk food is strictly no. So always have junk food, but not too much because it would be harmful for your body. Now children, हमने हेल्दी डाइट देखी कि हमें हेल्दी डाइट के लिए क्या क्या खाना चाहिए और क्या नहीं खाना चाहिए. बट अब कुछ हैबिट्स भी होती हैं हमारी, जिससे क्या होता है कि इम्यूनिटीज या जर्म्स जो हैं वो हमारे स्टमक में एंटर कर जाते हैं और हमें बीमार कर देते हैं. तो हमें ऑलवेज कुछ अडॉप्ट करनी चाहिए हेल्दी हैबिट्स. सो चिल्ड्रन, अब देखते हैं हम हेल्दी फूड हैबिट्स. चिल्ड्रन, छोटे छोटे स्टेप से हम प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं अपनी बॉडी को बाय अडॉप्टिंग हेल्दी ईटिंग हैबिट्स. क्या हो सकती हैं? चिल्ड्रन, हमारी मम्मा हमें हमेशा क्या कहती हैं? ऑलवेज एंड ऑलवेज वॉश योर हैंड्स बिफोर ईटिंग. नेवर फॉरगेट, because your hands must be dirty and if you eat with those dirty hands, क्या होगा? हम बीमार हो सकते हैं. So always and always wash your hands. Also always brush your teeth at least twice so that दांत भी सही रहें और आपके स्टमक में इम्प्योरिटीज भी एंटर ना करें, जर्म्स भी एंटर ना करें. और हम क्या कर सकते हैं? हमारी मम्मा हमेशा हमें क्या कहती हैं कि खाना हमेशा हमें क्या करना है? अच्छे से च्यू करके खाना है. ऑलवेज च्यू योर फूड प्रॉपरली एंड स्लोली ईट योर फूड. नेवर एंड एवर टॉक वाइल हैविंग योर फूड. उससे क्या हो सकता है? खाना अटक सकता है. सो हमें क्या ट्राई करना है? टू नॉट talk while eating. Also try to avoid watching TV or reading anything and have your food with a lot of peace of mind so that आपको वो खाना लगे. Children, और हमें क्या करना चाहिए? We should never waste food. We should also never spill water and food while eating. So children, हमने देखा how by following small things we can have healthy eating habits. So children, हमें सिर्फ हेल्दी डाइट नहीं फॉलो करनी है, सिर्फ हेल्दी हैबिट्स नहीं फॉलो करनी है. ऑल्सो हमें अपनी जो मील्स हैं जो हम एक डे में खाते हैं उनको फिक्स टाइम पे खाना चाहिए. सो लेट्स बिगिन विद द न्यू टॉपिक, मील टाइम्स. सो चिल्ड्रन, मील टाइम्स में हमें एटलीस्ट 3 मील्स अ डे कंज्यूम करनी चाहिए. क्या हो सकती हैं वो 3 मील्स अ डे? सबसे पहली हमारी डाइट होती है breakfast. It is the first meal of the day. We should never and ever skip our breakfast. Second, हम क्या करते हैं? In the afternoon, in the mid of the day, we have our lunch. So always have your lunch at a fixed time. इससे क्या होगा? So that हमारा food हमारी body को लगेगा. Next, हम कौन सी meal खाते हैं? At night, we have our dinner at night. So children, 3 meals a day तो आपको खानी है, but always try to have these meals at a fixed time. ऐसा नहीं कि हम lunch 5 बजे कर रहे हैं, dinner 12 बजे कर रहे हैं. Always try to have all these meals at a fixed time. So children, through this chapter, we have learned about different kinds of foods. Different people like different foods, like vegetarians like to have only fruits, vegetables, and the non-vegetarians can have fruits and vegetables as well as fishes, chicken, meat, and there are vegan people also. We have also learned about the healthy diet and healthy eating habits so that we could have a healthy body and mind. So children, I hope you find this chapter very, very beneficial. With this is the end of today's session. I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.